What's up guys, I'm Joey Salads. I'm here today with Mike from Twins TV, and Anthony here is letting us use his McLaren. And this is the bait McLaren prank. Alright guys, so we stripped the wires over here and we got it running down connecting to a remote controlled dog shock collar. Gotta plug it back in real quick. But anyways, we got the keys left out over here and we're gonna leave them in clear view, and when people come to check out the car, if they want to steal it, they're gonna be in for a nice little shock.
Yeah, he's checking it out. He's trying to find the door. Let's zap him.
Oh,
We're gonna kill him.
holy shit!
You better get out of that shit.
Holy shit!
He's getting in there. Does he even know how to drive these things? I don't think he knows how to get out. He's taking some pics. Looks like he wants to take it for a test drive. Let's give him a little zap.
Holy shit!
There's a shock in there. You shocked my butt.
He's like, what the hell just happened? This guy just jumped right in. I have to teach him a lesson.
God damn. Hell is you? Oh, how do we get out of there and down there? Hey. Hell is shit, huh?
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like, share, and subscribe for more videos.